Welcome to Nail Stamping Basics. First thing I like to do with every stamping manicure is start with my base color, and then I seal it with a quick dry top coat. This way I have a nice base to start my stamping manicure, and the quick dry top coat will help in case I make any mistakes later on. Along with your plate, stamper, and scraper, there are some basic supplies you'll want. One is 100% acetone for cleaning your plate. Then cotton pads and a cotton grabber. Make sure to soak your cotton pad so that you can clean your plate between each stamp. I use the cotton grabber to prevent the acetone from damaging my base color. Next, I like to set my plate on a paper towel so it's easy for me to wipe excess polish from my scraper between each stamp. Now that you're ready, apply your polish to the plate and gently scrape away the excess. Gently place your stamper or roll your stamper to pick up the stamp, and then quickly place it on your desired nail. Once you're done, you're going to want to clean your plate using the 100% acetone. When scraping, hold your scraper at an angle and gently swipe. Here you can see I'm holding at the angle and gently swiping. Mistakes will happen. You can see here that I'm only going to get part of the stamp on my nail, which is not what I want. Now, because I have the quick dry top coat on over my base color, it gives me some options on how to fix this. One is to use rubbing alcohol. Just dip a cotton swab in the alcohol and slowly rub away at the stamp you want to remove. And ta-da, it's gone. Another way is to use Scotch tape, and sometimes the Scotch tape will pull up the stamp you don't want. You'll just keep repeating the same process over and over until your manicure is complete. Cleaning the plate between each stamp, applying your polish, scraping away the excess at an angle, and rolling your stamp to pick up the image. That's it. Now you know the basics to create your own stamping manicure.